Clouds, clouds and clouds everywhere. Yes, it is Meghalaya, the abode of clouds. Tucked away in the hills of eastern sub-Himalayas is Meghalaya, one of the most beautiful states in India. Meghalaya is mountainous, the most rain-soaked state of India. With average annual rainfall as high as 1200 mm in some areas, Meghalaya is the wettest place on earth. The Meghalaya subtropical forests ecoregion encompasses the state. Its mountain forests are distinct from the lowland tropical forests to the north and south. Nature has blessed her with abundant rainfall, sunshine, virgin forests, high plateaus, tumbling waterfalls, crystal clear rivers, meandering streamlets, rich fauna and flora, and above all, with simple and hospitable people. Whooshing, splashing, sometimes thrashing, and lashing, clashing. Yes, the waterfalls of Meghalaya. If you have love for them, then Meghalaya offers you the beauty of waterfall in an unique way. This mystic beauty of hills and valleys serves you the sound of satisfaction and pleasure during traveling. Meghalaya has some unique mesmerizing waterfalls that are something not to miss. Take a breathtaking experience by admiring those beauties. Choose your any favorite month and Meghalaya serves you different form of its beauty in different colors, shape and sizes.
If you are adventure-loving people and if you are on a vacation with your friends or in a solitude, Meghalaya will never stop to surprise you. Yes, there are so many tourist places out here where you can see some of the biggest or teeny tiny waterfall. But if you're talking about the undiscovered waterfall, they are very special and unique in its own way. So right now, I'm at one of them.
If the love of nature and adventure is your identity, then Meghalaya offers you 19 known natural caves located in the deep, dense forests of Meghalaya. They are unique and real beauty of nature. Right now, this is Arva Cave, which sits at a higher altitude.
Yes, exactly. We are at Arva Cave, and if you are adventure-loving people, just give it a try to this place. It's amazing.
As you walk towards the cave, you can listen to the melodious sound of fresh flowing water, and the fossil shape on big rocks will definitely amaze you. At first look, the rocks look really soft and slimy, but after touching them, they are unexpectedly hard solid. This is not enough. Meghalaya caving is a new thing for adventure-loving people. What a beauty! Anybody will fall in love to this beautiful pine woods. Really, pine trees added a remarkable color to the overall beauty of Meghalaya. It is said that flowers make people better, happier, and more helpful. They are sunshine, food, and medicine to the soul. Who doesn't love flowers? And for the flower lovers, Meghalaya definitely serves you the beauty of color. Floriculture is no doubt the passing hobby for the people of Meghalaya. People of Shillong are known for the love for flowers. Most of the houses, its veranda, lawns are full of known and unknown species. Do you know about 300 of the world's species are found in Meghalaya? Look at the color and the freshness, how they make our tiredness disappear in just a second. Some are common, some are rare, but you can't ignore the beauty.
As we know that Meghalaya is always surrounded by the green environment, but when it comes to color, Meghalaya is never going to disappoint you, because in every kind of a season or month you can get some beautiful flowers out here. So how about I'm going to enjoy some of the beautiful sight out here? You can enjoy with me too.
Be a passerby, go to any house, be friend with people and watch the love for flowers in them. While entering into the beautiful place Cherrapunji, Saura will welcome you with awesome weather and the freshness of rain. Saura is also known as Mokdok Dimpep Valley. Saura is approximately 56 kilometers from Shillong and is literally the highest point of Meghalaya for visitors. Look at the breathtaking landscape, and if you want to run away from Indian summer, come to Saura to feel the amazing summer monsoon and feel the serenity. It lies at the beginning of the Saura tourism. It is beautiful, and the milky clouds floating over the skies make it more wonderful to watch. It feels one of the divine places that we were searching for.
So finally, me and my friends just entered into the Saura range, or you can say we are at Cherrapunji. And let me tell you something about this beautiful place. Yes, exactly, it's a Dimpep Valley. And as you can see that we are really enjoying this beautiful view out here.
Become a tourist or traveler. But if you are a food lover, Meghalaya surely is a place to satisfy your appetite. The staple food of Meghalaya is rice, dried fish and meat. But while traveling, try with easy snacks. Either the 2-minute noodles that can make us happy, or the roasted lemon and salt applied corn freshly roasted in charcoal, or the veg and non-veg momos. Choose your mood and Meghalaya is surely ready to fulfill your hunger. Bon appetit! For tourists and travelers seeking adventure, Meghalaya should be in your bucket list. Trekking and camping through the rainforests or riverside or amidst the valley is the best option in any month of the year. But talking about the water sports, you will never fall short of adventure. Meghalaya is one of the places where you can feel the thrill of adventure. The water sports complex at Borapani is a must-visit place for adventure lovers. For hardcore adventure lovers, there is a place in Meghalaya called Shinong Padang, which is a favorite camping and adventure site for visitors. It is located in Jaintia Hill near Dauki. The crystal clear river and the majestic thrill of its sound makes you to spend some extra time in Meghalaya. Boating, cliff jumping, zip lining, scuba diving are available.
Besides the beautiful scenic beauty of Meghalaya, this place is also the best place for adventure-loving people. Yes, exactly, me and my friends are all set to enjoy some of the best water sports right here. So we are at Shillong Padang, and if you're interested, you can go for river rafting, you can go for canoeing, kayaking, scuba diving, and if you're not interested in water sports, you can go for trekking for more adventure. So how about me and my friends are going to share some of the wonderful moments we spent together on my vacation to Meghalaya.
For families, homestay with proper accommodation, and for adventure seeker, tent is there. But here we have suggestion. What's the most amazing thing about this places? That your trip is impossible without good music and friends, of course. Meghalaya shares international border with Bangladesh. Tamabil, near Dauki bordering India and Bangladesh, is a remarkable place of tourist attractions. Love for museum? Then come to one and only ever-living museum situated at Moshpit village around 9 km from Shillong, which is a living testimony of one's love for nature, culture, tradition, history and passion. Inside the museum, you will encounter the perfect amalgamation of history, art and memories. The museum owned and operated by retired Meghalaya government engineer Qtio Borwar, who is the most humble guy with good sense of hospitality. The museum is set in gardens surrounded by green environment full of different species of orchids and fruits. Our favorite was, of course, pear fruit. Undoubtedly, you will be wooed by 100 varieties of orchids, wildflowers, and different varieties of ferns. One of the part of the museum is Stone Museum.
About this ruby, because I think that it's very costly, or
which is never to be missed, with 30 types of stones collected from across Meghalaya. Each and every stone has a story to tell, which is impressive to listen, and equally different fossils that make this museum must to include in your bucket list. Dropping at Meghalaya's market, any urban or suburban place is quite a sight. It's not that different, but what we see here is something spectacular to watch. The urban market is full of art and craft. If you have plenty of time, don't forget to get a close look to the handicrafts. Either it's window shopping or you want to buy something, it is indeed the satisfactory sight here. But yeah, never forget to grab some sweet, tangy and fresh bite of local fruit. And yes, taking some memories with you in any form is not regretful. Meghalaya is a place with the best climate in the world for enjoying exceptional holidays any time of the year. Its hills, dales and valleys are perfect for disconnecting from your daily routine, recharging your batteries and returning home feeling physically and mentally refreshed. For staying in Meghalaya, luxury as well as budget hotels are available in Shillong and various other tourist destinations. If you are planning to spend your vacation either with your friends or family, Meghalaya is never going to disappoint you. Journey to Meghalaya is always the easy one. You can start your journey from Guwahati to Shillong. Shillong, the capital of Meghalaya, is about 100 kilometers away from Guwahati, and it takes approximately 2 hours drive by road.
So guys, as we know that we came up this far, Meghalaya is full of so many tourist places that we can't cover it all in 2 or 3 weeks. You have to take some extra holidays for that. But yes, this is an assurance for you that I'll be back with another season and will take you for another roller coaster ride of this beautiful Meghalaya.
For more details, please contact Abhisarika Holidays. Email at abhisarikaholidays@gmail.com. Kolkata address: Abhisarika Holiday 5A Janak Road, Kolkata, near Lake Mall Big Bazaar. Or call 8981-083321 or 033 460 22060. Guwahati office address: Boripara, Maligaon near Flyover. Or call 94351 43321 or 80110 43321, or visit our office at stall number 19, IIT Market Complex, near Main Gate, Amingaon, Guwahati, or contact 98540 43321.